Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $400 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $400, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. GEPRC Darkstar 20 HD03 Drone. In the application of cinematic FPV field, GEPRC continues to pursuing innovation. When conventional size quadcopters are unable to meet the needs of shooting in small spaces, Darkstar 20 is a good solution. Darkstar 20. This is a small quadcopter within 120 grams that is designed for indoor shooting and outdoor flying. Darkstar 20 adopts a lightweight fully injection fuselage and uses a multi-dimensional triangular frame for strength as packed, which ensures good frame rigidity and an exquisite appearance. The flight system uses Taker F411-12AE12SAIO, and the Speedx2 1102 motor is paired with GEPRC T51X4 propellers, which provides sufficient power and efficiency. In addition, the O3 Air unit version has built-in 4K anti-shake video recording, which can create wonderful works. After being carefully tuned by the GEPRC team, the Darkstar 20 has a smooth flying feel and a superior experience. Number 2. New SJRC F5S PRO Drone. GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, returns home with low power, and returns home without signal. Follow the mobile phone to fly, identify the subject and follow the subject for 360-degree circular flight. Within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make a photo gesture, camera gesture in front of the camera. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Find the center point of the circle, and then move the desired radius of the circle through the joystick. 1 key far flying, 1 key soaring into the sky, 1 key spiral, vertical screen aerial photography, time-lapse photography, panoramic shooting, stable hovering at low altitude without GPS or weak signal. Turn on the optical flow night vision assist light to ensure you hover performance in low light environments. Easy to use, long distance, stable transmission, strong anti-interference. Number 3. Edward A380 Optical Flowobstacle Drone. GPS 1 key to return to the takeoff point. Low power return, no signal return. Identify the shooting object and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, face the camera to make a photo gesture. Camera gestures. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset routes, and the player focuses on shooting. Find the center point of the surround, then move the desired radius of the surround through the joystick. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times, open the map interface. The map shows the last distance, latitude and longitude position of the aircraft. Single or multiple selection for photo sharing. Video can only be shared individually each time. 4K adjustable camera, 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal plus electronic stabilization and anti-shake plus laser obstacle avoidance. 11.1 volts plug-in intelligent lithium battery. Number 4. K2 GPS Professional Drone. 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K pixels, 360 degrees omnidirectional laser obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning plus optical flow positioning, dual mode, brushless motor, 7-level wind resistance, out of control return, low power return, a key return, 5 grams HD image transmission, skyrocketing mode, fade mode, panoramic shooting, intelligent following, 50x zoom, point of interest surround. Before taking off, make sure your craft has undergone a proper pre-flight check, including battery level, craft structure and controller status. Find an open space, no obstacles and away from the crowd, for safe initial control practice. Beginners should first learn the basic Number 5. ZLL SG906 Max 3 4K Camera Drone. The obstacle avoidance device detects whether there are obstacles ahead through the 120 degrees fan-shaped scanning in front of the laser, and the remote control will sound an alarm if the obstacle is detected within 20 meters, and the drone cannot move forward. GPS returns to the takeoff point with one key, low power return, no signal. After the aircraft is connected to the GPS, open the APP follow function, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, face the camera to make a photo gesture. Camera gesture. The aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route, and the player will focus on shooting. Find the center point of the surround, and then use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. Click the GPS